Alright. What's going on here? Okay, get ready with me. Alright, let's see what's going on. They straighten up, getting that baby hair laid out. Baby hair long as hell, look like teenage hair. Get flat iron the joint, and Vaseline on your face. Now you got your, like you're blushing, getting a little blush going on. A little makeup. Like Indian chief right now. See you out here, Indian chiefing. Got three stripes. Looking like a Dora Milaje, Wakanda forever. Okay, oh, you blending all that in. Blending that shit in. It's magic at its finest. Like a totally different joint now. The little eye boogers, trying to hide the eye boogers. Man, it's sorcery at its finest. You don't got much hide. You pretty already though. This is why I be taking y'all 40 years to get ready when y'all go out. Saying you're gonna be ready in 5 minutes. This is why I take so long. Big ass forehead, getting all that stuff on the forehead. And not getting the brows laid out. Watch it a little better so it could be like The Rock. Get The Rock. Can you smell what The Rock is cooking? This is why I be taking y'all 9 years. I'll be ready by 7. Y'all come out by 9. Okay, now I see why. They're getting them lip lines. Okay. Oh, you wasn't done? Still more? Okay, got the lashes going. Okay. Looking good. I see you out here. I see you out here. Alright, looking like a totally different joint.